Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of craftsmanship with a product that's a must-have for any serious woodworker or DIY enthusiast. This right here is the custom branding iron for wood by Arokimi. And let me tell you, it's the best custom wood burning brand available in the market. Whether you're into woodworking, leather craft, or even baking, having a tool that lets you leave your mark quite literally is invaluable. The Arokimi custom branding iron allows you to personalize your creations with ease. From intricate logos to personalized signatures, this tool lets you imprint your designs onto wood, leather, plastic, and more. Let's talk features. Crafted from high-quality, thick brass, this branding iron is built to last. It's designed for easy use. Simply connect the stamp with the handle, heat it on an open flame for a few minutes. Press it onto your craft for a few seconds, and voila! Your custom mark is left behind, adding a professional touch to your work. Now, let's explore its versatility. Whether you're marking your woodworking projects, adding a personal touch to leather goods, or even customizing paper crafts, the Arokimi branding iron delivers consistent results. It's not just a tool, it's a statement of craftsmanship. Imagine the possibilities: personalized gifts for loved ones, branded merchandise for your business, or simply adding a unique flair to your hobbies. This isn't just a tool for artisans, it's a gateway to creativity. In conclusion, if you're looking to elevate your craft and leave a lasting impression, the Arokimi custom branding iron is an investment worth making. With its solid build, ease of use, and ability to translate your designs into permanent marks, it's clear why this is the go-to choice for many craftsmen. That wraps up our review of the Arokimi custom branding iron. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more product reviews and DIY tips. Until next time, keep creating and innovating.